over yet, though, Sheri, because you've officially activated the cash-in question. You've earned the chance to turn all that cash you've worked so hard for into a massive $25,000 payday. All you have to do, Sheri, is answer one more trivia question from a random category. You get the cash-in question right, you'll be walking out of here $25,000 richer. But if you choose to play the cash-in question and you get it wrong, you will lose everything, the entire $13,500. Now, to help you make your decision, let's see what generation and category today's cash-in question is from. Boomer literature. Gen X, the choice is yours. Do you want to take the risk and cash in on $25,000, or do you want to take your money, your $13,500, and run?
Oh, man. This, you know, $25,000, it's a life-changing amount. I really, but I just